So we got this 2007 Toyota Prius with this fusible link. The fusible link got blown, and because of that, the car has issues charging. So I'm going to show you how to replace it and remove it. So the first thing we're going to do is get a 10 millimeter and remove that bolt that he is removing right now. And we're going to disconnect that piece right there. Next, we're going to remove this little metal piece right here. You're just going to pry it out. There's some tabs locking it in on both sides. And there we go. Next, there are 3 or 4 tabs holding that fusible link in. You can kind of see it right there, that white tab. We're just going to pop that off by pushing in towards the fusible link. And you do that on each one. I believe there's 2 on the bottom, 1 on top, and 1 on the left side.
No, al contrario, al contrario. Ajá. Okay. Aquí.
There's also this mini fuse brick on the side. We're going to have to remove that as well. And there is a tab on that end as well that we need to pop off. From there, we can pop this piece up a little bit just by prying up on it. Looking at it like this, on the far left hand side of that little fuse panel block, there's a little tab that you need to push in, and then you can pull that whole assembly out like it is right now. Now we're going to carefully pull the fuse assembly out so we can see those bolts that we need to remove to disconnect it. And those are 10 millimeter bolts. I believe there may be some 8 millimeter bolts, but I think they're all 10 millimeters. Next, we're going to separate the fusible link from the fuse block just by pressing that tab in, and that comes off just like that. And we can pull it up a little bit more and remove the other bolts, and then also the connectors on the bottom. From there, we're going to remove the connectors. Just push down on the tab and pop that connector off. I believe there are 2 or 3 of them down there. And then we're going to remove this last bolt.